Hi, I'm Aaron Turner with Dance Teacher Web, and now I'm going to show you guys a paradiddle combination for level 2. So again, the same rules apply that I talked about at level 1, which is going to be, I think it's necessary for them to do both, starting with the heels as well as starting with the dig. But the pattern is going to change, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult. I like to start with the heel for mine, so I'm going to show you guys the pattern starting with the heel. So the pattern is going to go 1, 1, 2. So you're going to have a single paradiddle, and then a double diddle, which I like to call it that, and all it is just incorporating or doubling the heel drops. So again, I'm going to show you 1, 1, 2. So I have 1, 1, 2. And then you finish the paddle. Let me show you again. So I drop the heel. 1, 1, 2. Finish. Good. Going on with the pattern, you have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now I'm going to show you incorporating the next part. We have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Finish it up. 1, 1. Which should have your other leg ready to go. So far, the whole pattern that we've gone through is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Finish it up. 1, 1. And that whole thing with the heels will look like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And at a faster speed, it sounds like 1, 1. And that's with all heel drops. Now that same exact combo could apply to starting with a dig. So if you want to start with the right foot dig, and again I'm mirroring you, this would be 1, 1, 2. Instead of dropping the heels, you do a dig spank twice. So far 1, 1, 2 is 1, 1, 2. Moving on. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Finish it up, you have 1, 1. So now the whole pattern with the dig is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Other side, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And that's both starting with the heel and also starting with the dig, paradiddle combination for level 2. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys a level 3 advanced combo that does change the pattern, but it incorporates both paradiddles that have the heel and paradiddles that have a dig, putting it all together in an advanced level, brain confusing combination. So I'll see you guys in the next video for level 3.